हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज के शॉर्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि एआरडी के ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट से हमसे किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। सबसे पहले अगर मैं बात करूं कि किन एरियाज से हमसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, तो स्टूडेंट्स हियर इज द कंप्लीट एनालिसिस ऑफ 2022, 23 एंड 2024 पेपर्स एंड यू कैन जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो एंड सी फॉर योरसेल्फ दैट टॉपिक्स लाइक सॉइल एंड वाटर कंजर्वेशन दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, वाटर एंड रिसोर्स irrigation management, it is a very important topic. Plantation and horticulture, crops, animal husbandry and poultry, fisheries, forestry, these are some of the important topics. So students, on the basis of that, here's a list of the 9 to 10 most important chapters from our ARD static perspective, right? Now students, let us see the kind of questions that are being asked. First of all, the question arises that whether we have to rely on the rote learning or the conceptual understanding of different topics. So students, if you see the questions like this, what is the purpose of separating a calf from its mother known as? These are the kind of questions where you need to have a basic understanding of the concept, but apart from that you have to do the rote learning as well. Similarly, this question also, again, the post harvest process using the cutting of flowers to reduce the rate of aging. So again, they are asking a definition kind of question, right? Similarly, this kind of questions, which of the following breeds is the highest milk yielder? So for all these questions you do require the conceptual understanding, obviously, but at the same time rote learning is also required so that you remember what is meant by a particular terminology. But students, having said that, there are few questions which require a very good understanding of a concept. For example, if you see this question, surge irrigation is a modified form of which of the following types of irrigation? So here you should be aware of the characteristics of the surge irrigation as well as the different irrigations which were given in the options to compare that which of them is a modified form of the surge irrigation. Similarly, this question from the agro-meteorology chapter, that an air parcel that rises at a constant temperature and constant water vapor is the temperature at which the air parcel reaches the saturation. Again, a conceptual based question. Then students, there are certain questions which are there from the out of box also, such as this question, which of the following is commonly used for the cryopreservation of the seeds? Again, a very difficult question. The role of calcium in the plant life cycle, the gene responsible for causing the seedlessness in the grapes, which of the following mandarin variety is famous and also known as spoken? So these are some very difficult questions, and the best way to tackle them is to ignore them. You should have to be smart enough to know what are the questions you should attempt and which are the questions you should ignore as far as your exam is concerned. And now let us have a look at the kind of questions that are being asked from the ARD current affairs. So this was the question from directly the NABARD annual report asking about the funds managed by the NABARD. Then this is a question again on the basis of the animal husbandry statistics about the highest milk producing states, and then on the basis of general current affairs from the ARD. So these are the questions that are being asked in the ARD. Thank you so much.